At Harlem Shambles, a local butcher, 15 pounds of beef costs $14.25. At this rate, what is the cost of 4 pounds of beef? The first thing I want to do is annotate my word problem. So I circle them. We can write that down in our equivalent fractions, which we should be setting up on our paper or whiteboard. For our equivalent fraction for the first one, we're going to write 15 pounds over $14.25. We need to find the unit rate eventually, to eventually find how much 4 pounds of beef costs. So I have my last equivalent fraction will have 4 pounds over blank dollars. If you notice, the top is the only part of the fractions that have numbers in the first fraction and the last. The numerators are the only thing that has numbers. So I'm going to go ahead at this point and I will know that my pounds is going to be my unit fraction. So I got to figure out how much 1 pound of beef is. Sometimes you might need to figure out for the dollars. This time we're going to do for the pounds. So to go from 15 pounds to 1 pound, I need to divide by 15. If I divided my numerator by 15, I need to also divide my denominator by 15. So if you have your calculator out, you should be calculating 14.25 divided by 15. In my calculator, I got 95 cents, so 0.95. So if 1 pound of beef equals 0.95, to go from 1 pound to 4 pounds, I gotta multiply by 4. So to find my price, I gotta multiply my price of 95 cents times 4, and I got 3.8 or $3.80.